Hello guys, welcome to Developers Nation. Today we are going to see how you can take action on phishing websites. Just like this website, I am getting lots of messages related to this domain, which is fake and phishing website for of Bale. This is the official website, and I got the message from unknown message, which is showing me to register for job, and these are fake or others phone numbers, so they are not responsible. But today we see how you can report for these phishing websites. Okay, so let's see. First you need to identify the domain name provider. So you can go to this website, ICANN lookups. This is the domain. You can, if you have trouble with English, you can go to another languages, Portuguese, French, etc. So whenever you find any suspect or any phishing website, you can report with this method. So let's see. So if you are thinking why I need to report these phishing websites, suppose you are an e-commerce owner, or you have some website which you own, and someone doing phishing with your website, then you need to do this. Or anyone who need to complain or take action on these kind of acts like phishing, frauded websites. So you can use this method to report these domains. So let's see. This is the domain. Click lookups. You will see the domain information, the registered domain, contact information for domain provider. So here in this case the domain provider is Namecheap. You can just mail to Namecheap or any service provider. Suppose he or she using the Google domains or Hostinger domain, so then you can easily find out the domain register provider or DNS provider. So you can get all other information, and we just need this email. So you can copy here, or if any case you can report for this domain by using this email address, or you can search for Namecheap complaint against a domain. So you can fill all your information and domain which is using phishing website, which is this domain. I am copying this domain, and you can fill this form and submit it for Namecheap or any service provider you find it for this phishing domain. Or you can just email them by using the contact information abuse@namecheap.com. I have complained to Google, and this is my message I am using. For same message I will forward to Namecheap. Copy this and mail to the Namecheap, which is contact information for domain name provider, DNS provider. Subject same website, and paste it. Okay, this is how you can complain for any website or any phishing website or any fraud website which is targeting you or your any other family members. This is the domain you have to go. You need to visit this and paste the domain name and search for lookups. Then you find the contact details of domain name provider. Then you need to send email. After this they take action. It's all upon them. Or you can go ahead one step. You can go for FIR, complaint near your police station. You can take all screenshot of this phishing website. This is how they are working. You will see this website is just took off get offline. So this is how they use phishing to generate some money, but this is not the way you get income from as a web developer. You need to create some valuable website or products by using your talent, not just making some phishing websites. It's not the way, it's not the right way to get money from web development. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to this channel and share this video with friends and your family members, because it's very important. If someone want to complain for any website, they can find the domain name provider they get abused, or they find its phishing website, so they can easily complain to the domain name provider and further they take actions. So I'm going to send this email for Namecheap. Thank you for watching guys. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. You can follow me on Instagram for more information related to web design, cyber security, cryptocurrency, etc. Thank you for watching guys.